Okay everyone, so first things first, you're going to want your sublimation paper. Today I will be using the A-Sub. We also have blanks galore that I've showed in numerous videos, but I'll be using this one today. Make sure you have a sublimation printer. We have the Epson, we have two of them. We have the Epson EcoTake 8550 and we also have the Epson Workforce 7720. But today I will be using the Epson 8550 EcoTake. Make sure you have your heat resistant gloves, so when we go to pull our sublimation mug out of the press, you don't burn yourself. Your scissors, because I have to cut these images out. I printed them off camera so I wouldn't take up too much time. And then your lint-free towel to just wipe your mug down really, really, really good. Okay, and a small piece of butcher paper. I'm gonna put the design on here when I cut it and then just wrap a small piece of butcher paper, because I really don't know how that's gonna go if I don't wrap it with butcher paper. I know with the blanks galore, it does not, the ink does not seep through the back, so we don't have to worry about using butcher paper when it comes to the blanks galore. But with A-Sub, I'm gonna definitely use it. Okay, so without further ado, I'm gonna cut these up and put it on. I'm gonna use the Jack because my daughter likes Jack. She's into the Jack character. So I'm gonna cut this one out and apply it to the mug, and then I'll be back and show y'all over at the heat press the time and temperature and all that good stuff, okay? And I also forgot to mention, make sure you have your heat resistant tape, okay you guys? Because this is what I'll be using to hold down my image onto the mug. Okay everyone, so I'm just showing you all, I'm taking this fiber lint free, whatever it's called, dust free rag, and just wiping this down. You guys, I wanted to use this Christmas image because it's so cute. It's a hollow, it's like a happy hollow, what does it say? Hollow Thanksmas. Happy Hollow Thanksmas with the Grinch. But my daughter wanted, she wanted Jack. So I went ahead and I just said, okay with the Jack. Okay, so I cut Jack out over here. And then you just want to make sure you center it however you want. All right. I'm going to put this one in the middle of this mug because it's a nice size image. So I'm going to go ahead and tape this down and then I'll be back, okay? Okay, everyone, so here we are at the tumbler press. Yes, this is a Vivore tumbler press. And like I said, we also have the mug press right over there that I thought I would be able to use it, but unfortunately not. So I have to go this route and I'm okay with that. All right, so the instructions on the box said 356 degrees Fahrenheit for 260 seconds. I already have my time and temp set. If you all are interested in this tumbler press, just know that you change the settings just right here. There's like a little indentation of a circle right here, and you just hit that, and then you just turn the dial however you want for your seconds as it's going down and up. Okay, let me take it back to where it's supposed to be. What was it, 260? Okay, and then the same thing for if you want to change the temp. It also gives you the option to change the temp as well on here. Okay, all right, so mine should already be heated up. Let's see. Okay, it was beeping before the camera came on, so give me 1 second so I can make sure that it's warm, that the temperature is where it's supposed to be. I'm gonna go get my heat gun because I don't want to put it in here and it did not reach the right temp. Okay. Okay everyone, I got my heat gun and all I do is press this button. This is a good gadget to have when you have heat presses and all that good stuff and you want to check the temperature and you want to make sure that the temperature is where it's supposed to be before you press anything. You just press this little button, hold it down, aim it to where you want it to read. Mine is reading 360, it's going down, 361. All right. 359. Hold on, it's jumping all over the place. So I should be good because it's reading 359, 360. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and slide the mug in here. I'm so nervous, you guys. I am so nervous. Let me make sure the paper does not catch. Watch your hands, please don't burn yourself. And now I'm just gonna close it, and I'm facing the image down. It's gonna be a one-time press, okay? Kind of hard there, y'all, but it says medium pressure, so I opened it up as wide as I could to get the mug to fit. So now I'm gonna just hit start, and it's counting down, and then I'll be back, you guys, when it's done, and I pray to God that it worked. Okay, everyone, so we're counting down 2 and 1. Oh my gosh, I'm so nervous. Okay, so, oh, look at that. You can kind of see it through there. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and take this to the table and unwrap it. Okay, you guys, be very careful because these are hot. So I got my little tweezers here. Okay, so the tape didn't leave no residue, which I was kind of worried about also. Like I said, this is my first time. Aw, well, I thought it would turn out better than that. Apparently not. Maybe if I'd have did like a colored background. So yeah, like, I don't know, y'all. I was kind of skeptical with the time and temp that they said use, but it is clear. So maybe if I'd have did like a black offset on my image, it probably would have worked. It would have showed better. But this is what it turned out like. And again, I think, but I don't know, because look, my black isn't even coming through correctly. Like, I don't know, it looks like it's, I don't know. It just doesn't look, it's not, I don't know, it's just not clear looking, like, it's not smooth. You see what I'm saying? So, yeah, like I said, this was my first time doing them, you guys. I thought this would be fun and different. But again, it's clear, so I mean, I guess I shouldn't have expected much from it, right? So yeah, like I said, this is 15-ounce clear sublimation mugs. And oh, what I wanted to show you all, this is the Vivor tumbler, the mug press, and as you can see, it's too big to go in there. So I kind of wanted to show you all that too. But they're fine for the Cricut. It's really snug for the Cricut mugs, but they do go in there, okay? That's what I wanted to show you all in case you guys were also thinking about getting the Vivor mug press. So I would just take my image down really, really good all the way on like the sides and then around the bottom and top, so your image don't catch when you're putting it in the machine. Okay, you guys, so just like I thought, you have to play around with the time and the temp. I went right back in. I was in the middle of editing this video and something told me to jump back, and something just told me to go back in and try 400 degrees for 260 seconds. And you all, I put the white paper just so you guys could see it, but even without it, look how it came out. It came out so much better. Now the black down here still looks, you know, it's not as clear as the Jack looks, the name Jack, if you could see it. So Sally, and the word and Sally, the black is not all that clear, but it looks way better than the first one did, right? So yeah, I just went back in and did 400 degrees, and I tried to line my image up on top of the one that was already on there. But as you can see, y'all, I was playing around with it in the middle of editing this video because I don't know, I couldn't give up, right? So it does work, and they do look nice. And if you put something in there, drink or something, you make it see it even better. So it did end up working, y'all. It did. And I'm happy that I was able to figure it out. So again, I do say in my other videos, be careful when you purchase something and they give you the time and temps on the products, and it's like a lot of times they don't work. So you have to figure it out. You just have to go back in and figure it out. So I would pre-press, like I always say in my other videos, I would definitely pre-press a small image. That way you have room for other small images until you can correct your image. So yes, you guys, so it did end up working in the end. Okay, so oh my god, I'm so happy, I'm so happy, I'm so happy. Okay, so don't forget to like, share, and subscribe if this video was very informative to you all. Hit that notification bell, and I will definitely see y'all in the next one. Stay blessed. Bye.